In this video, you will learn how to extract personally identified information PII using LlamaIndex. We will be extracting information such as name, credit card number, and address. Let's import from LlamaIndex.core.postprocessor import PII node postprocessor, then NER node postprocessor, and then from LlamaIndex.llms.hugging face import hugging face inference API. From LlamaIndex.core import document and then vector store index. From LlamaIndex.core.schema import text node. We will be using these libraries. Now we will load a text file. So I have some text file written. I will just paste it here. So this is the text file. Hello Paulo Santos, the latest statement for your credit card account. So we have the information about credit card number. This is the credit card number. Name is Paulo Santos, and then this is the address 123 N Street, Seattle, WA, and this. So we are going to extract all this information using this LlamaIndex. I will execute this code. And then I will make a variable node, and then I will call text node. Inside this, I will pass this text is equal to text, and then I can print this node here. So we have created this text node that we will be using to extract PII. And first, let us create our LLM model, because we will be using that also to extract these PII. Import OS from getPass, import getPass, then hf_token is equal to getPass, and then I will pass my API key. So let's create our LLM model now. From LlamaIndex.llms.hugging face, and I think I have already imported this above. Yes, no need to import it again. I will write here LLM is equal to hugging face inference API model_name, and then I will just copy this model from here and paste it here. Then token is equal to hf token, and then our LLM is ready. Now let's create a PII node processor. So I will make a variable processor, and then I will call this PII node post node processor, and then I will pass our LLM is equal to LLM. Let us execute our code. Now I'm going to import one more library. From LlamaIndex.core.schema import node with score, and then I will make a variable new_nodes, where I will call this processor that we created above, and then I will call a method postProcessNodes, and inside this I will call this node with score and pass our node is equal to a node. So this is the node that we created here of text file. We have passed it here. Now let us execute our code. Now let's look at the text that we have in this new nodes. So I will write here new nodes at index 0 dot node dot get underscore text, and here in the output, so you can see that now the information is encrypted, hello, and the name is hidden, that is why here we have name. The latest statement for your credit card account, so this credit card number is encrypted, hidden, and also the address is hidden. So you see that we can also hide these informations, whatever we have, the whatever PII information that we have, we can also hide it. So instead of having those information, we are having this names here. And now let's get the PI information. So we will be using the same here, new underscore nodes and 0 dot node dot metadata, and then we will call dunder PII underscore node underscore info underscore dunder. And now let us execute our code. So it says that there is some syntax error, metadata, and then I have, okay, I forgot to close it. Now let us execute again, and here in the output you can see that I got the PII information here. So name, then we have credit card number, and then we have address also. So this is how you can extract PII using LlamaIndex. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.